Yo, Bismillah, electronics in the house. Fridge broke, word up, that's a problem solved. No cooling inside, we get your food resolved. Keep shutting right off, we got the fix, no doubt. Compressor needs a swap, we know the whole route. Got a gas leak creeping, that's a quick correction. Experienced ill technicians, pure perfection. We come to your spot for reliable service. Peace, call 167-09869.
Yeah.
Bismillah Electronics.
Get with the best.
Bismillah Electronics.
Word up.